Hey guys, welcome back to Dual Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Lollipop Chainsaw for the PS3. That's right, today we're testing out the RPCS3 emulator once again on my Intel. Well, why do I say Intel? It's a mouthful, man. It's a lot to forget. We're doing today with the Ryzen 7 1700 today. That's right, new CPU time. With the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card, we're running with 16GB to DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory, and boy oh boy, it's a much better experience, as you can see. Which is what I said, this CPU is gonna make emulation a lot easier for me, so expect a lot more emulated videos. Obviously the Ryzen 7 has 8 cores and 16 threads. It handles itself quite well. And I do have a turbo clock to 3.7 GHz at all times, all 8 cores. I want to put this over here. I have never seen that cutscene play properly with my Intel Core i7 4790. It's never happened. So it's always quite shocking to me to see any of this. I'm like, really? I've never seen any of this happen, man. Nice stuff.
This is so irritating.
Tell me about it. With a better CPU, you can play everything, man. The game is everything loads so fast without me looking around enough. There's no issue, dude. Like, obviously, I just came from an i7. You guys knew. You guys were here with me. It was rough for emulation. This is not. The 8 cores really helps.
Jeez, it sucks when things explode. I need to find Nick.
Like, this will stay capped at 30 for the most part. And we're gonna see. We're gonna hope for the best. Damn, I was kind of hoping that this didn't thing like this, that they didn't get back up. Okay, now remember how to play Lollipop Chainsaw, Javon. Remember. I feel like I remembered enough. I hate when they roll on the ground. Are you kidding me? I made another one? Boy, he took forever to die. He was like, whoa, guys, come on. Now, once again, we are using a capture card, so it's always cool when I can play these games without seeing any frame drop. Like, normally not even a stutter, it just stays at the 30 FPS. It's quite impressive. You're safe, dude. There's no one here.
Awesome. I'm still alive.
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you guys really want to see more emulated videos on the channel here with the Ryzen now, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You'll be seeing a lot more from me. We got a lot of stuff to test here, man. Like, literally everything I've tested beforehand. Like, look at this. It just keeps going. Now, not every RPCS3 game runs now, obviously, still. But runs at 30 without any issue.
This isn't gonna be as easy
But
as
a lot
I
of them
thought.
do.
Hey, Herb, don't be looking at my skirt.
A lot of them do. Seriously, how did you... None of that. Anyway, I'm just gonna mute myself because it does run at 30, so there's not much to talk about. Next, I can probably up the resolution, but other than that, I'll see you guys next time.
Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
Great. See one more. I got it. All right.
We gotta deliver them eggs.
Watch out!
Come on, get away from me!
Ready? Hold on, I'm coming.
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
It's so rad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones, but I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming.